it goes against everything that I've been telling you not to do. So stay tuned to check out my new technique of drying my hair. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today, I'm going to show you a new hair drying technique that I've been using and liking. And it's funny because it goes against everything that I've been telling you not to do. But look how great my hair came out. Okay guys, this is not like my technique at all. I'm sure a lot of you probably do it already. And I just, because of hormonal reasons, my hair has not been at its best. And I know for a fact it's that because it just happens every single time. For the past many years, when I'm going through something hormonal, my hair is just not good. So that's why I haven't even been filming many videos, because my hair has just been through like going through something, and then the other day, I think I passed it because then I'm like in the shower, okay, my hair's back to normal. So it's crazy. I don't know if you guys go through this too. Women, I should say. Sorry guys, you don't go through it. Sorry, yeah. Anyway, so I tried something. I don't know what made me try it. I don't know. I'm always trying different things when I do my hair and makeup all the time because I have a channel. So I always want to see different things. Now again, I'm sure this has been out there. I feel like years ago I might have seen like a thumbnail and I was like, oh, it's like in my head somewhere. So I know that someone somewhere is doing this. But the last few days when I've been doing this, I'm really liking the way my hair came out. And this was even when my hair was still like wonky and stuff, but it was helping. And then, so I'm like, oh, I think I found a new technique and I want to share it with you guys. So let me put my product in first. This is not a hair product video. I've done reviews on Cake, the Curl Friend. This stuff, I found it in my shelving over there, and there's only a little bit left, but I forgot how good this is. I think I need to repurchase it. Gotta repurchase it, and I'm hoping I have enough to put in for today. I didn't even put that much product in the other day, and yes, my hair has a lot of gray. Not so much a lot. I'm trying to get more ashy toned, so it takes a while. The gray is not covered as great as I would like it to be, but you know what? This is reality, and that's why they have root sticks, touch-up sticks, and sprays so that you don't have to worry about coloring your hair all the time. Especially when your grays come in constantly like mine. I can't keep up. Look at that. It looks gray, but it's also kind of ashy. So my whole thing is I'm thinking if I go ashier, it won't be so hard when the roots come in and the grays come in. I hope not. I don't know. I think we're just gonna make it. Let me know what you think about this new backdrop too. I just feel like I want to be crisp and clean sometimes, not all the time. Sometimes. The thing about this technique, I feel like it stayed in well too. Like that's the thing. So prepping my hair like I normally would. I just did a short on the eyeshadow I'm wearing. It's from Tarte. I love it. I think Tarte is my favorite eyeshadow. Every palette from Tarte, just like the formula of it, the coloring, I just love Tarte eyeshadows. Oh my god, my grays look so bad, but you know what? We're gonna fix that after again. Okay, I'm gonna use my leave-in dryer, which I love. Been using it every day. Taking it with me on vacation. It's nice and short, but I have a video on that. If you want to see more, check it out. So what is the one thing that I always tell you not to do? Don't touch your hair with your fingers. Yes. I'm going to tell you today that you're going to be doing that, but you're not. The difference is when I say don't touch your hair with your fingers, I'm saying don't do this to your hair. But today we're going to scoop it. Again, I'm sure a lot of you know of this technique, but it's been working for me. So what I'm doing is I'm scooping my hair up, and then I'm going to diffuse around. So let's see, my hair's in here. I'm diffusing into the root. And also getting the ends. Because my whole thing that I like to scoop my hair in is I like to set my ends in the diffuser. Because if I go right up to my roots first, then my ends are just going to start drying like this and like ugly, and I don't want that. I want them to be curly. But by doing this, I have like a diffuser, and it's almost like I have two dryers going on, you know? So I'm just going to show you what I do, what I've been doing. Now, when I scoop my hair, I'm not moving my fingers around. Once I do this, it becomes the diffuser, and I am not moving my hand, because that's you know, going back to what I said, don't touch your fingers with your hands. Don't touch your hair with your fingers. It's about moving it around. That's really the problem. And the heat from your hand, but you know, I'm just gonna sit still. So let me just show you. So I'm kind of gathering and scooping. Tuck that in there. And see, I scooped all that up. And now I'm gonna lean to the side. I'm gonna put my dryer on. I'm gonna go where the tips of my fingers are, I guess you could say. So here we go. Okay, clearly we're not done yet, but see how nice those curls came out? I'm telling you, this is a great technique. Again, I don't know what it's called, hand scooping, I don't know, but I'm liking it. When you have curly hair, you do whatever you can for something different, right? But let's do the other side, and then I'm just gonna show you like how I do it. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna finish my hair doing the same thing all around. I'm just gonna take smaller sections, okay? Okay guys, check it out. Didn't that come out great? Like, it really curled my bottoms. It kept them healthy looking. So my ends are defined with curls. Look at that. I like my ends to be curly. Again, if I start up there, these are just gonna dry like straight and ugly. So I definitely wanna get those up. So by using my hand, I can keep that curl and dry the root area. I know when I scoop it up, it dries the root area, but it dries it from the bottom up. I like to kind of get on the sides. I find that it calms my hair down, so the root is drying this way. I just feel like it's calmer and it's still full. I love it. I love this new technique. It's definitely working out for me. A little scraggly there. But yeah, I know it went against everything I tell you. Don't touch your hair, but don't move it. Still don't move your fingers. Just pretend you're a diffuser. As long as you don't move it around, you're fine. You're fine. So try it out. Let me know if it works for you. It's been working for me. I like it. So until like I hate it, which will probably be soon, I'm gonna dry my hair like that because I'm liking it. All right, I'm gonna go. I got a lot of stuff to do. Okay, see you later.